Hello guys, today we see another array problem, frequencies in sorted array. So let's start it. First of all, here we take user input for the array and create one function for frequencies and return that. So let's start it. First we import util package, import java.util.star. For user input we create one scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Then here we show user to enter the length of an array. Enter the length of an array and we initialize a number and store the take user input and store in that n. C dot next int, and here we show user to enter the array element. System.out.print here enter the array element. Enter the array elements, and we create one array. Int arr is equal to new array. Here we pass the length of the array, and using for loop we take user input and store in that array. Int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and here we store in array of I is equal to sc dot next int. Now completed. Now we create another method, 30 void is print frequency, each frequency, and what we do, we pass the array. Int array. Now what we do, we call this each frequency from method to the main method. Simply we pass the array. It's completed. Now we try to write the code for this frequency. So for first we initialize the frequency is equal to 1, int I is equal to 1. Here using while loop we do this. So while first we check if I less than n, then what we do, then we create another while loop. While I less than n and an array of I is equal to array of I minus 1, means the current element is same as the previous element. Then what we do, we simply increase the frequency plus plus, and increase the I value I plus plus, and simply what to do here, print the current element and the frequencies. System.out.println, here we what we do, the frequency of, here we pass the element each frequency. Now we pass that. Then simply what we do, we increase the and reset the frequency to 1. Frequency is equal to 1. Why we reset the frequency? Because if the array is given like 10, 10, 20, 20, 30 like that, then here what we do, we see 10 is frequency 2. So first it iterate the while loop and first print 10, 2. Then again reset to frequency 1 and again check for 20. And here it print 20 and also frequency 2. Then again reset to frequency 1 and check for 30. So 30 is 1. So like that it happens. Now we check some condition. If n is equal to 1, means its contain only one element, and or array of n minus 1 not equal to array of n minus 2, means uh, if it is contain only one element like 10, or the current element, here it is n minus 1, n minus 1 not equal to n minus 2, then what we do, we simply return the n minus 1 system.out.print. Here the frequency is whatever given here. We simply write here, only change the I to n. N minus 1 is, and here in place of frequency we simply return only one value. So let's run this. Let's see here while n. Okay, here it is can't find n. So for that we write here n is the length of the array. N is equal to dot dot length. So run again. Yeah, here we give the length of array is 9, and here we give the element, array element 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5. Here we can see the length of the frequency of the array is 1 is 3, frequency of 2 is 1, frequency of 3 is 2, frequency of 4 is 1, frequency of 5 is 2. Like that it's count. That's all. Thank you.